there W.O. for West Oaks?
That's my name, don't wear it out. Hey, welcome back to Iron Triangle Garage. Today we're going to put a air intake in the truck because stock one sucks. Right? Stock one sucks. Let's go. All right, as you know, this is a budget-minded channel. Amazon. Probably going to replace that. That's not that cool looking. But it is what it is. Silicone boot for the thing. Air cleaner. Probably gonna replace that with a better air cleaner at some point, but it'll do for now. The whole reason I'm doing this is the air cleaner is dirty, and this was about the price of a new air cleaner, or air filter rather. So, yeah. Here's the suite. Sure. First thing we'll do is take the stock air inlet out. Maybe we'll get Toby on that one. Yeah. What does what stand for?
A-A-L.
It says AL.
Why?
It's part number, I'm guessing. Has a little barcode too.
I'll be back to something.
Okay. Hop up in there. I'm going to show you what you're going to be doing.
Okay. Wait, what?
Yeah, you're doing it.
Going in it?
Yeah, you're going to work on the truck.
Like I'm hopping in?
So see these right here? There's two. One, two.
Yeah.
There's one right there. Three.
See it.
Loosen all those up. Wrong way. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. There you go.
Like take them out?
Just loosen them way up. Don't lose, not so they come apart. See how this is going down?
Yeah, tell me when to
That's
stop.
a band clamp. That's good enough. I'm gonna do this side. We're gonna save this right here. We're gonna reuse this piece.
Can I do this side?
Yeah.
Tell me when to stop.
That's good. Can you reach this one?
This side?
Yeah.
I can see when to stop.
Just so it's loose. It's good.
This like will not come
Yeah,
loose.
it's all right.
Ugh.
And we're gonna make sure these hoses don't come with it. Right here, boom. And this little guy there. And then I'm gonna pull this off.
Is that even possible to pull that giant thing off?
Yeah, it comes out. Like so.
Tell me if you want me to tighten it.
Yes. No, we're good. Okay. Pulling that out.
Holy moly donut shop.
So we're taking all of this off here. We're gonna save the mass airflow sensor.
Which I'm not. How about
Be careful not to damage the screen.
Okay.
Really should unplug this so it doesn't get damaged, so I'm gonna do that.
Do we even need this anymore?
We will in a minute.
Okay.
If I can get this unplugged.
Wait.
I already got this one off.
Oh man.
Very. So you gotta be real careful of this screen if you're taking this apart, not to damage that screen.
What if you do?
You're in big trouble.
Yowza.
After mass airflow, it tells the engine how much air is coming in. This goes away. This just has some clips, just pull up and it'll come right out. Boom, it's out.
Okay. Oh, what the?
You just got these clips on the bottom. Pull it up. These go into the fender.
Oh my god, are you ripping your car apart?
No, we're just changing.
Will it still run without that?
There's your air filter. It'll run, but it'll run funky.
What if you try to drive with these parts taken out?
They won't like it very much.
Well,
Huh?
like if you drive from here to my school in the car that has none of these parts, what would happen? It'd be full of oil and stuff?
No.
Or just like a blow up or something?
No.
Or it'd just be like a bumpy ride?
No.
Technically,
Right now, the engine wouldn't know how much. Because that little thing that we just unplugged monitors the airflow. So it wouldn't know how much fuel to give it. It would just be guessing.
And that'd be bad.
Well, it'll run. It'll do its best it can, but it won't run very well. We got instrucciones.
Well, if you're making episodes and you use instructions, that's technically like cheating.
No, it's not cheating.
Is the episode even on right now? Is it recorded?
Yes.
Okay.
So we need a 10 millimeter. We're going to pull all of those out. Come on in for a second, have a look-see. So here's our mass airflow sensor. We're going to tuck this guy up and out of the way over here. Just tuck him into the coolant thing. These 10 millimeter bolts need to come out. So let's take all of those out. Cool.
Yeah, I'm glad I got my headphones.
Not that loud. I was giving a real ooga-doogas, that might mean something, but. So this comes all out in one big old piece, which is nice. And the new air box will go in there.
Okay. And how are you going to do that? Oh my god, it's going my car. Dad,
Yes.
are they just listening to you talk or can you actually see it?
No, they can hear. They can see us.
Me?
Huh? Yeah, they can see you.
You on right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Welcome to YouTube, son. Okay, so here's our air box. It's going to go together like this. And it'll bolt in place, the same place the other air box did, but the bottom is now open to allow a lot of air. People treat this street like it's a drag strip. It's insane. All right, so I'll put this together and we'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay, Toby's gonna come in here. We assembled the box. Really just 3 screws right there and putting this trim on, 2 pieces. We used the factory hardware to mount the box back in the truck.
I think I might be able
1,
to get
2.
2.
You can do all 3.
I'm not sure you can get that one right there.
Spin it around. Go ahead. A couple ugga-duggas.
That was good. Okay.
Yep. That one right there.
I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this.
Let me do it. You got it. You got it.
Oh, this light really helps.
Yeah, it's nice. Hold on. Nope, we're not sunk in yet. Here. Yeah.
Ha!
There we go.
Yeah, well, you got it. You got it. I'll do this last one.
We're good. We're in. This one right here doesn't line up very well, so you have to kind of line it up. And when you tighten it up, it'll make the sheet metal do.
Sorry.
It'll make the sheet metal do what you want it to do. I'm gonna come in here and replace this chintzy looking hardware at some point, because other than that, it's pretty nice looking box.
Yeah, buddy.
So this is now your cold air. Yep. Here's my horn. So now we will install the air tube and the air filter into the throttle body. Let's do that. You see here, I'm kind of loosely fitting everything. Figure out where it's all going to go. So far, it's a pretty good fit. Gotta figure out the mass airflow. Here's the air cleaner. Right? So here's a boot for the. Nope. Yes, I don't know. Huh. Too big. Maybe that don't matter. Okay, so that's stock boot for the mass airflow. Goes on there. Actually, a really nice fit. So we'll tighten that up. And you know, I could clean it up, but I'm not gonna. There's a big clamp right there too. I guess this boot right here does go both. Seems awfully big. Vivo C. I think I would recommend getting some nicer silicone boots. These are decent. But I think they're just rubber. I don't know if they're silicone or not. Probably want to make these accessible. Whoa! How we doing there, bud?
Good. I have a question.
Yes, sir. Okay, give me a second here. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Plug it in. Okay. So we'll put, yeah, see that's a little, I guess we could really suck that up. That's where the better quality silicone boot would come in, I think. I have to get one that's a little bit smaller, just so it's, we don't have any real air leaks. I don't think we will. I think it'll be pretty good, but. Okay, so let's turn this so they look good. Kind of like when you do your light switches, you know, you want to make sure all your little screws are going up and down on the face. I don't know if you guys do that or not, but I sure do. Swing this dude around here. Yeah. How does this go? Like that? There, get this all lined up nice, real nice, y'all. Don't knock stuff into the intake, because that would suck. Make this look good. How far in are we? Okay, we're good. I'm gonna bring it in about a 1/4 inch so it looks smart. Like I care. This truck I do care. This is my daily driver. Just want to haul my kids around in. I want to look good. Little Ugga Duggas there. It's decent. Not perfect. I think I'm gonna go this way with this one. I gotta go. Yep, I go under this tube here. Over that. Why aren't you? Why? Make sure the boot's up against the stops. Everything's happy. Ish. Double check it here in a minute, make sure it's really happy. So far, I mean, for the money, it's a really, really good fit. If you want to retain your holder for your water, your upper radiator hose, and the little overflow hose, you can drill the rivet out of the stock one. Attach it here. I'm just probably going to run a couple zip ties for now. Come in here. Scratch up my new filter. There we go. Yep, it fits on the stud here. I'll show you in a second. I'm going to spin this dude around so I can get to it. Like that. Do I have enough room? I got enough room for my plug. It's a nice fit around the edge of this too. Right here and here. This is open a little bit, but we're splitting hairs at that point. I mean, that was really, really quick and easy. Almost too easy. What am I missing? What did I forget? Why is it so easy? Plug it back in. Let's go have a look. Come back here and clean this up with my dirty, grubby hands. This is what I'm talking about. You can put your little retainer on here to hold these. This guy here. Drill this rivet out, attach that onto there. Or wait, maybe this just pokes right into it. No, I think it does. It just pokes right into it. Might be easier than I thought. Yeah, this just comes out. I might just order a new one, leave this one on there. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna order a new one of these. Fits into that hole, holds this stuff. That would look sharp. Put that back on there. I'm gonna leave this all together. I don't know if this is cool or not with Johnny Law. So again, I'm doing this just to show you how to do it. Check the legality of your area before you do it. But basically it's just a stock, it just goes in a stock location. So you're not really changing anything. It's just more aesthetically pleasing, in my opinion. This whole thing was like $43. And you can always upgrade your filter to like a K&N, Edelbrock, something like that. I still got to put that band on. Right there, I got to put that nut and washer on down here to hold this tube onto that bushing. I actually got to tighten the other side, so I'll probably pull the filter off so I can get to it. But that's it. I'll come in here, clean it up. It's not going to change your, it's not going to change the breathing of the truck enough to matter. It's still governed by this and whatnot. It just doesn't have that big stupid looking box on it anymore. Here's our washer with our nut right there. That is 10 millimeter. We all know about the 10 millimeters. Like me. Get it here like so. Hello. But it didn't damage the Chinesium. Can I get this one off? Some of the hardware quality is a little bit iffy, but the tube is really nice. The fitment of everything is really good. Like I said, I'm probably going to upgrade to this to some better silicone, which is not that much. It's still cheaper than buying like a K&N unit. Oh, good. So that is now righty-loosey. Perfect. Fortunately, it doesn't really do much other than rattle when I'm going to be driving down the road. So I'll replace that at some point. Come on now. There's tight skis in here. I'm just going to thread this guy around. Which always is a better idea than it actually works out to be. You think it's going to be a better idea. Oh, there's no problem. I'll just rattle it home. And I can't get to it. The little end doesn't want to feed. You're looking like a crazy person in front of your neighbors. It's great. It's a good time. I.e. this right here. Ooh. Sweet. Make sure this is on there good and snug. Put that in my gun. Stay, sit, deal. I lost my helper. He did some good work today, though. It's just nice to have him out here with me. Give him for a little bit. Right? Yeah. He's pretty mechanically inclined. He's building a lightsaber out of exhaust tubing, a handle rather, and we're gonna get some light mag light guts gonna paint it, the whole deal. Got the exhaust tubing for the main handle. I got some Schedule 40 for like the embellishments on the, yeah, it'll be cool. Okay. Let's check everything one more time. Make sure everything's on there, everything's covered. Nothing's poking out like it shouldn't be. Everything one more ugga dugga. These are cheap. I'm gonna replace them. They're pretty though. They're like stainless looking, but they're Chinese stainless, so it'll probably rust tomorrow. This is well below the core support, so there shouldn't be any clearance issues there. I don't hear any vacuum leaks. I don't hear any air leaks. You can feel it pulling through here. Fortunately, it's drive-by-wire, so I can't. Kind of miss that, you know, the old school just right there. Can't do it with this one. Nope. Alright, I'm going to clean this up, make it look pretty again, get my fingerprints off of it. Okay, here's one of those upgrades I was telling you about. This is a nice little silicone boot, 4-inch boot. Got it on Amazon. Yeah, it was like $24, something like that. With the clamps, with the nice stainless steel band clamps. Yeah, looks nice. So again, we're still way under the like K&N budget here with this, even with this nice silicone boot. I may have to cut this a little bit, but that's okay. Yeah, so let's put this on, see what it looks like. All the Amazon stuff, eBay stuff. Always comes with 10mm. Guess that's why we keep losing them all, right? That's a tired joke. Here. Okay. Go. There we go. Where's my little dude here? Yeah, that looks cool. Clamps are really showing their colors here. They're twisting and bending. I may order a couple more of these just by themselves. Oh, that looks so much better. Okay. Something else I noticed about putting this on is it really changed the note of the engine. It sounds way more aggressive. Probably because you can hear that intake noise much better. Do I know what I'm doing? Hey, it worked. So I got to tighten down that little guy underneath there, and it will be, everything will be as it should be. Nothing, no loose ends. In here, don't damage the transmission line. Battery up towards the back. There we go. That's the stuff. Yep. Nice. Everything's tight now. Everything. I love it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, everybody. That's going to do it for this video. Super easy install. Highly recommend if you got a truck like this, Tahoe, Suburban, GMC Sierra, Chevy Silverado, any of these, that take this little unit here. Super clean, super easy, and the price is, I mean, you can't get any better. You probably could. I don't know. A lot less than the K&N model. K&N version. Even with the upgrades, it's so cheaper. So eBay, Amazon, if you don't mind parting things together, piecing parts together, it's the way to go. Thank you all for watching. Last episode, worked on the Harley. Next week, part 2. We got the parts. I think we got a lick this time. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it very much. See you later.